Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama out here in the lot again today. And I have found a 16 by 68 Maplecrest. Now I know just a few days ago I put a Maplecrest up on the channel, but this one has a few features that I think are definitely noteworthy of a video. So this one has an alternate optional kitchen in it that changes things up. If you go back and look at my video of the Maplecrest, you'll notice that there's no island. Well, we can put an island in there, and this is what happens when we do that. So we've got this island with plenty of seating here, and this is going to a park, so we've got some extra parts in the living room that we're shipping with it as well. But what happens is the kitchen gets slanted. So you can see here, this is at a different angle than this part is. So it slants a little bit. Also what happens is now you've got a separate utility area, and there's a nice little storage nook right here that I always imagine that if it were my home, I would build shelves there and create a pantry. Washer dryer area here. Doors are gonna be on both sides. Let me just get a better view of this kitchen for you. Lots of seating there. They've added an upgraded carpet into the living room. So we still have plenty of room. Big TV wall right there. Let's go down to the alternate bedroom so I can show you something else. Look here in the hallway. Most times you'll see a either all lino hallway or an all carpet hallway, but in this case, we've got lino right outside the bathroom door. Here's bedroom 2. Just the regular bathroom going on in here. 60-inch tub shower combination with a vanity. Here's the bedroom 3. Bedroom 2 and 3 aren't ever usually very exciting. Not too many things we do in there except for enlarge windows. So heading back into the master bedroom, there's another option that I don't know if we've ever gotten to see on the videos. So let me show you that. The thing about this home is there's 3 evenly spaced windows going down there on the side wall. Here's the master. But this is the option I want you to see. This customer, maybe a little dark in here, has opted for the garden tub. So a lot larger basin. There's even some area here where you'll be able to put your elbows when you're taking a bath there. It still also is a tub shower combination. So garden tub costs about the same as a walk-in shower. Extended vanity with a bank of drawers. All right, guys, this is the 3-bed, 2-bath, 16 by 68 Maplecrest, about 1,000 square feet. It's the Mobile Home Mama. My information's in the description below. Hey, give me a call. Thanks for watching.